Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a channel that I could have gone to find honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and let's jump right into this review. What is it? It is a complete step-by-step training on affiliate marketing. Who was it created by? It was created by this guy, Aaron Chen. He's a successful affiliate marketer. He's got a YouTube channel with over 22,000 subscribers. He is the creator of the Freedom Audio Show podcast, and he's also the creator of Video Authority Mastery, which is another one of his courses. What's different about it? Aaron teaches a different method of selling where you provide your audience with high quality, helpful content before sending them to any kind of sales page. That's a bit different than most courses that are just teaching you how to make a sales page and sell products. Aaron's way is give value first, provide your audience with quality, helpful content, and then sell them something once they're there. That's really cool. Aaron has integrity. He wants you to think about if you would buy a product yourself before you promote it to someone else, which is very different from a lot of the courses. They're like, pick the best product that sells the best. Aaron's like, if you are going to pick a product that you wouldn't buy or sell to your mom, don't sell it to other people. That's pretty dope. Another thing that's very different about this course, Aaron is very mindset oriented. There is a lot of info about your mindset and staying motivated and keeping positive. And so if you don't like that extra kind of stuff, you might not like this. There's also a very active Facebook group and a lot of positive support, which makes sense since a lot of his course is about positive mindset. He's got lots of positive people supporting each other, so his support community is a good one. What's included? There is a ton of stuff included. There's a step-by-step core training, which include picking the right niche, choosing the right affiliate products to promote, identifying the needs of your target audience, creating a high converting sales funnel, having a successful mindset, writing compelling headlines, capture pages, building an email list, driving traffic, effectively managing your time, building an authority website, creating a successful YouTube channel, and optimizing for maximum conversions. There's also twice monthly coaching calls, done for you templates, mentoring, homework assignments at the end of each module to help you take action. Like I said, big community. Facebook group has over 1,000 members. Also, if you buy the lifetime membership, which is the upgrade, you get pre-made capture pages, pre-made emails, pre-made bonus pages, monthly live coaching, and also an opportunity to become an affiliate partner. So how it works is basically you go through the 17 sessions, which are 63 lessons, 31 plus hours of in-depth training. You go through all the trainings, you set up your funnels and your website, you set up your YouTube channel, you learn how to promote and pick the right products, you learn how to get traffic, and then you make commission from the sales. So basically it's affiliate marketing with kind of a little bit of everything. So paid traffic, organic traffic, YouTube, funnels, a website, all of it. Who's it good for? It's honestly good for complete newbie affiliate marketers who already know a little bit but are struggling to make an income online, or affiliate marketers who are doing okay but are just looking how to scale. Who it's not for, I would say anybody who just kind of wants a completely done for you basic course that just teaches one thing so you can focus on one thing only, this wouldn't be for you because it's kind of all across the spectrum. Pros: very impressive student results and testimonials. Aaron is very active in his Facebook group. He comments and messages and says stuff in there all the time. It's a very step-by-step course. There are several different payment options. It's not just another affiliate marketing course. There's tons of new content and methods. The creator has and teaches integrity with his trainings, and there are homework assignments to help you take action, which I think is a really big pro. Cons: there's maybe too much mindset stuff for people. You could cut some of that stuff out. Also, the refund policy is action-based, so you have to go through the whole thing, try to make it work, and then prove that you did before you can get a refund. And you have to do that within 30 days. If you think you might want a refund, you better hit the ground running and do it fast and decide if you like it or not, and try real hard, and then ask for a refund really quick because you only got 30 days. How much does it cost? It is $67 per month, or if you click on this, there is an option that it will give you for $430 lifetime membership, or 3 payments of $145. Although, to be honest with you, which I always tried to do, I don't know if the lifetime membership is still available, because when you go into the sales page, I don't see that option anymore. So that might have gone off the table. My final thoughts are that there is tons of good content, like tons. Aaron has high integrity. He seems very trustworthy, more than most courses, maybe all courses, other than the ones that I generally recommend in my YouTube channel. You can cancel your monthly membership at any time. My final verdict is that I do recommend this course. I think it's really hard to find an online marketing course from an expert or a mentor who you can really see their integrity and trust them to give you good value. There's so many fake gurus who are just slapping together lazy courses and charging hundreds of dollars for them, thousands of dollars for them. I have paid thousands and thousands of dollars for courses like that. This is a real course that has a ton of good content, and the creator seems to have integrity. He tells you not to promote products that you wouldn't buy yourself or sell to your mom or grandma, and that's something that I have never seen in a course before. He also shows you methods and strategies all across the board. He doesn't just focus on paid ads or funnels. He shows you free ads and free traffic and paid traffic and websites and funnels and YouTube. So you're really getting a good value here, and it's definitely one of my top courses that I am not an affiliate for. I don't receive a commission for promoting this course, and I do recommend it. So, of course, I highly recommend the courses that I am promoting, which is why I'm promoting them. I have experience with them. I've taken them. I know that they're good. I know that they work. I have not purchased this course yet, so I can't honestly say that you should do it because it's great, because I haven't done it yet. But from all the tons and tons of research I have done, it seems like it would be a very, very, very good course. I do recommend it. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.